You always have that one friend. In this video, we explore an abandoned Catholic school that was founded by Polish immigrants in the early 1900s. This school has a very unique one-off staircase that's painted blue and has a lot of intricate detail. But little did we know, this school has way more to offer. Let's head inside and check it out. Yeah, here it is. This is the picture that we've been wanting to get. Right there. Let's head on up. This window is pretty awesome. Now that we've checked out the stairway, let's check out the rest of the building. This place has way more to offer. It's a pretty big school. It's crazy how that glass broke. Oh, there it is, another sheet of it. That seems awfully precarious to just leave that glass there. It will probably turn into that. So that glass, I don't know why it was like this, but it was mounted on the boards. I have no idea why. Can you use chalk on glass? Look at all the books. This was the library. They just left it. Okay, I found my favorite one. And this is probably what people think about urban explorers in the dead of winter. Just strange creatures of the snow. That church is not abandoned, but it's beautiful. I swear we're not that bad, and we're not kids. So we got the light out and the GoPro 7, but I do like the quality of the new iPhone. So if you guys like the quality of this right here, let me know in the comments. So these closet doors, while they just look like closet doors, the mechanism they use to open and close them is pretty awesome. So you pull one and all four of them open. It's a little hard to pull because the one is off the rails. But check this out. Look at that mechanism they use that connects them all together. They don't make them like that anymore. The coat hooks from where the kids would put their stuff. Ooh, look at that wallpaper.
Look at that sweet, I don't know, drapes. Whatever you call those things.
Blinds.
Yeah.
Still there. It is some pretty ridiculous wallpaper.
I think these kids are spray painting the beer bottles. Like literally as bored as you can be.
Yeah, how bored are you? You spray painted. I mean, it is pretty dope.
That's a pretty sick art piece.
But yeah. And the light switches.
Oh, nice.
This room still has all the blinds in it. It looks like they added a drop ceiling because the windows go all the way up. Go look another foot. Yeah, you can see where they added the drop ceiling. It used to have really tall ceilings. These are just like apartments Look at these round windows with the rounded windows with the drapes.
Oh, that's cool.
Still there. There's ivy. You can see it growing up the whole outside of the building with the little berries. Look at the size of this trim. All hardwood. Got those berries again. Look at those berries up there coming in the window. We got all this really cool old paint. Always wear a respirator. Lead paint is bad. So I don't normally do bathrooms just because it's a bathroom and how cool can a bathroom be? But this tile is pretty cool. All blue. That's not the coolest part of here. You can see what looks like. Never mind. It's fake stained glass. Who would put fake stained glass on there? Jeez. We were on our way to breakfast and we saw the outside of this place and said, okay, we got to check it out. Oh, hey.
Anybody in here? Just let us know.
We're just taking pictures. Let us know and we'll leave.
Yeah, we don't need any trouble. We're clear.
If they were here, they heard us. Yeah, you were looking at the safe and you didn't even see the potential person sleeping next to you.
Potential stabby stab.
Yes. Ho ho ho. She wanted to hide. You walk right behind that. Thank you for not being here. You were just recently here. These beers are fresh.
You can't do anything inside?
Yeah, like,
You can like keep your body heat sealed in.
well, but even that, like, isn't this part's mesh.
Yeah, I don't get it.
So this might have been here from summer.
Yeah, maybe it was just fun time.
They 100% picked this room because there was a safe in it. Think about how many homeless people grab that handle. It's empty. It's empty.
At least we know.
At least we know.
Look at this row of beds.
That guy already got the fortune out of it. An REI tent.
And I don't want to be this guy, but what homeless person drinks PBR?
Valid point. This could be teenagers. Teenagers with money to buy an REI tent instead of go to Walmart. I don't know any homeless people that are buying the Nature Valley granola bars. Cool little fireplace.
This is all pretty cool.
Awesome chair. Got a huge printer and photocopier. Canon, slightly used. Get yours today. We got a bright pink, huge bathroom. We continue to work our way down the last few floors, and we get to pass this beautiful staircase again. You can see they cut out the fire escape for some reason. Don't forget to learn your multiplication and division tables. Ho, ho, ho. That is a hole in a floor. Well, let's not fall in that hole and keep moving. Just keeps going. a fridge, and a super cool old desk cabinet. Kid Elon. Oh, my guess is it's Kittyland with an arrow pointing that way. I would doubt it's from when this school was open, but maybe. Cafeteria. Look at all those books. It still has the projector screen hung up and this display to hang papers. Hearing syllables and words. The fact that that projector screen is still there is pretty crazy. Definitely a pretty cool cafeteria. Lots of books. A book of ogres and trolls. Well, we found all the desks. So we've run into a dead end. The handle's broken on both sides. And hopefully we can find another way in there. Let's see.
Sounds cool. Whoa.
Okay, don't step there. Oh, this looks like the coal room. Can see how old the foundation is of this building. It's really pretty cool. We found our way over. A listening station, and it has headphones.
An old copy fax machine, and it's called the Secretary. That's the name.
It's called the Secretary. That is pretty cool. I've never seen an outlet like that. That's definitely unique. Oh, dude, there's another set of stairs. Oh, it's full of stuff. You cannot play Frisbee in an overcoat. So do your lifting now. The beach is only weeks away. Yeah, what is that thing? The Rudd? The Rude? It's a wood-burning furnace or a wood-burning fireplace. No, it's a hot water heater.
Wow, that's great.
That is a super old hot water heater. You can see there are the burners.
Well, there's a regular one right next to it.
Yeah.
So it does imply that it's a...
Oh, and it's definitely hot water because look, there's the water line connecting to both of them. And they somebody cut the copper off of it. So that is an old hot water heater.
That's very cool.
Look at the top of it.
That should be in a museum.
Yeah, like I don't think that's that common. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. If somebody can tell us that that's super common, I believe you. But I've never seen one because I definitely wasn't alive when that thing was made or anywhere even close to it. This is what happens when you take a photographer with you. Let me just get one more. I just want to get one more. I just got to get one more. I don't blame him. It's definitely a pretty cool place. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, follow us on Twitter at OnceOccupied, and let us know what you think. Until next time, be safe out there.
It'd be hilarious if you were laughing.
100%. Time for a bonus. Check out this shrine in the backyard. Pittsburgh will always have a special place in its heart for Fran.